This is the story of how hákarl, Iceland's famous food, came to be. Once upon a time, the Vikings were looking for food during a bitter Iceland winter. One day, a Greenland shark washed ashore. One courageous Viking approached the dead fish, tore off a piece of meat, and feasted. Unfortunately, he became ill and died. Deciding the shark meat was unsafe to eat, the Vikings buried it on shore and abandoned it. Several weeks later, a second Viking, desperate for food, also tried the rotten meat. Surprisingly, he survived. Why did the first Viking perish but not the second? Today we know that when the Greenland shark dies, its tissues flood with toxic trimethylamine and oxide and urea, a compound also released in urine. These original molecules are what killed the first Viking. Scientists have found that the heroes of this story are bacteria like Moraxilla, Acinetobacter, and Lactobacillus, which fermented the shark meat. Fermentation is the oxidation and liberation of organic molecules for carbon, energy, and different byproducts, carried out by animals, fungi, and bacteria in the absence of oxygen. Fermented bacteria acting on Greenland shark meat help break down poisonous trimethylamine and oxide into trimethylamine. They also produce an enzyme called urease to convert toxic urea into ammonia, creating an unpleasant but familiar smell, the same smell of fermented urine in toilets. Icelandic people today still harness these processes to make Greenland shark meat into the safe-to-eat delicacy hákarl. Fermentation is also used to produce wine, vinegar, and pickles. Though we commonly think of bacteria as harmful germs, bacteria are our friends more often than not.